welcome to Embody Harmonics Yoga. In this video, I would like to introduce you to Kapalabhati, which is breath of fire or skull polishing breath. This is one of my favorite. I know I'm going to say that every single episode because every single pranayama is one of my favorites, but no, really, this is actually one of my favorite pranayamas. Once you get the feeling of it, it can really help you to suspend time because it's active. So there's something to do. There's something for the mind to really focus on, and that can help you lose yourself in the flow. The way it's done is by giving a short, sharp exhale through the nose, and then the inhale that follows is totally passive. Okay, the diaphragm and the lower abdominals are going to quickly engage and kind of snap up for the exhale. And that's going to make your chest pop up a little bit. This is what we don't want, where the chest actually compresses down to help you get at your exhale. You want the power to come from down low, and the chest responds to the exhale with a little passive pop, okay? Then on the inhale, it's not active. It's totally passive. All you do is relax your body as profoundly as you can and let the air fall back into you, okay? So I'll do a round, and the pacing is going to be pretty quick. Okay, the pacing can even be much faster. When we do Kapalabhati with a rapid pace, it is very energizing to the nervous system. So it's a good way to clear the cobwebs, or if you have to focus, like for a meeting or for an important call or something, this is one thing that you can do to sort of amp yourself up from the inside out, instead of relying on that 4 p.m. cup of coffee. Or we can do the pranayama slowly. And so on. And the slower pace can be really useful for teaching us how to suspend the inhale. After the pulsed exhale, the inhale just falls back in, and then it's done. And then I'm floating on the air that has come into my body. I'm not actively inhaling for that entire time. So it creates this suspension, which is called kumbhak. Don't worry about that too much right now. We'll get to that in another video. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to have some tissues nearby when you start your Kapalabhati practice, because you can have some projectiles. I would love to hear your questions and comments. Please leave them below. If you would like a complimentary live supervised online yoga class, you can find links and a discount code in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.